Hi teens, this is Sarah with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department. So we have our summer reading activities going on this month, and one of our activities is the Unbreakable Code. So the Unbreakable Code is referring to during World War II, the Navajo Native Americans that were in the military developed a code based on their language so that the enemy was unable to decipher messages, which is why they call it the Unbreakable Code. Now, this, of course, just remember, this copy that I have says it was revised June 15th, 1945, so this is really old. So this is what it looks like on the front, and if you can see, right here, it starts with the little A, has B, C, goes all the way through, and has the Navajo word, and then the translation into English. So it also is divided into different sections. So once you get past the alphabet, it has organizations like the Corps, it has regiment, it has officers, words for the officers, and the Navajo word for that, and then the translation into English, what it literally means when you translate the Navajo into English. It has names of countries, ships, the months of the year, just a lot of different words. And of course, all of that is going to sound like military-related words during war because that's the purpose of this code being developed. So as I was going through, I looked up some information online, more about this and things like that. So the idea behind the activity was to come up with a phrase and then figure out how to translate that phrase into Navajo, and then you've learned a new language essentially. As I was looking through the actual dictionary, I've kind of changed my mind on the approach and was more like, let's see what some of these words are in English and then come up with a phrase from there. So the phrase I came up with was mission failure, pin down, evacuate. Now, I did search to see if I could find kind of like if you are wanting to pronounce a word and hear it pronounced audibly. I couldn't find much for that. So I'm going to say these, but they'll probably be wrong. So for mission failure, it's Alnishodi, and then I want to say there was a specific word for colon. So the way I wrote my phrase was mission failure, colon, pin down, colon, evacuate. So that whole phrase, including the word for colon, is Alnishodi Yiskin Naki A De Da Al Zin Bil Da Hastan Ya Naki A De Da Al Zin Hana. And as I said, I'm sure I'm not pronouncing it correctly. But I do think it's interesting that the Native Americans played a huge role in coming up with this code because it's a language that not a lot of people know. It does seem that the Navajo language is one of the larger used languages of Native American languages from some of the research that I did online. So again, you can access this specific dictionary on a particular website, and it is https://bit.ly/3xycjra. All right, so enjoy learning more about the Unbreakable Code, and you have a great day.